Alright, y'all, welcome back. That house we wanted, it's in a bidding war and it's already about $500,000. We're not going that high, so I guess we're staying where we're at and we're gonna redo our floors and stuff. So let's go in here. Actually, we're gonna redo the whole house, but let's see what we get. Okay, I think we might have to go with this for the bathrooms. That would look amazing in the bathrooms, right? What is it? 549 square foot. That's not bad. Okay. So this is gonna take a while. I'm just going to show you guys little clips of things we might like. There's so much stuff here. We got a lot to do, so we got a lot to look for. We're doing the walls and the floors and the ceilings and the bathroom and the fence. Lots of stuff. Just pretty much the whole house except the upstairs. We're going to do that one later. That part later. But yeah, so let's keep looking, folks. Okay, y'all, so we might go with this vinyl floor instead of wood. It looks like wood. It's called titanium. It's like supposed to be really good. It's $4.29 a square foot. I like how it's like textured and it's got the different sizes. Makes it a little more unique looking, I think. What do you think? You like that kind better, which is like textured in different sizes? Or do you like this one, which is all the same size and not really textured? I don't know, but I like this one, okay? So, yeah, we're probably gonna go with this one for the downstairs. Alright, so in today's society, where, you know, a lot of times we're having issues getting our products delivered or having the products available, it's always good to have a couple of options. Now, this one isn't the same. It doesn't have the, like, different sizes. It's all one size, which I do prefer the other kind. But as far as color and stuff and the textured look, this would be a okay backup, I guess. This is a $4.49. It's got this titanium. It's supposed to be really good kind of flooring, so that's where we're gonna go with. But I don't. Hopefully not this one. Hopefully the other one. But it's a backup. Didn't take us as long as I thought. So I think we're gonna go with that first tile I showed you for the bathroom. And then hopefully our first option for all the flooring. So we're not going to go with hardwood floor. This titanium stuff is really, it's waterproof and it's real good with pets. If we got hardwood floor, it might get damaged by the dog. So yeah, that's where we're going to go with that. And that tile looked awesome in the bathroom. Can't wait to get that in. But yeah, wish us luck. Hope you guys all have an amazing day. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go enjoy doing some home projects, folks. Okay, see you later. Bye.